And on tonight's show, we'll be covering sports. Maybe football, maybe baseball, who knows? But first, off to you, Brian.
Wayne Summers and Kansas, and Hagen Warwick of Syracuse. Junior guard J.J. Reddick of Duke and sophomore guard Chris Paul of Wake Forest rebounded out the list. Let's check out some of the scores tonight.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot for that look into sports, Brian.
Yeah.
And when we come back, we'll have one final look at weather. Stay tuned.